everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. Improve your arm styling part 2. If you watched my first video, we talked about the arms and I gave you 8 exercises to improve your arm styling. Today, we're going to be working on the hands. So 5 exercises to improve your arm styling, now focusing on hands. Stay tuned. All you're gonna need, you guys, is 2 pencils or pens. You're going to put your middle finger down and place the pen right there, and the rest of the fingers go on top. This is gonna help you a lot getting used to the positioning of your fingers once you're dancing. First exercise is palms facing up and down, and we're doing repetition of 4s for everything. Second exercise, we're gonna flex our hands up and down. Now let's go ahead and circle our hands going back first and then forward. Repetition of 4s. Alright, now we can get rid of the pens. Okay, now for this one we have to have our hands wide open and then close your fingers one by one. I'm doing it slow first so you can see, and then we go with the music. Repetition of 4. For the last one, you have to use your imagination. So pretend that you have gum stuck in your hands and you want to get rid of it. So make a fist, turn it up, and get rid of the gum. Guys, for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And if you think this video can be useful for someone, please don't forget to share. Thank you so much and see you next time.